Hi everyone, this is Wenxin Song, and my uni is WS4742747. So this is Git under the hood, our app. So this app is to teach the users some basic concept of the Git data structure, and also teach them how to use the Git. So let's get into the main page. So in the main page, if I'm the user, I can discover that there is a navigation bar here, and currently I'm in the home page because the color of the home is darker than the other two, and I can observe that there's a picture showing the GitHub, and there's a title telling me what this site is used for, and also a short description for this website. And then there's a Let's Start Learning button. So I know if I click this button, I can start learning the basic ideas of the Git. So I will click this button. At this page, I can observe that the color of the tutorial is darker. So currently I'm in the tutorial session, and there's a title showing the concept on this page, and then the details of the three major types of the Git object, and also a picture showing this concept. And I can also observe that there is a progress bar showing that how much time I need to spend on this tutorial session, and also a next button. So I know if I click the next button, I will get to the next page or the next concept of the tutorial session. So then I will click this next button. And this page, other components are very similar as the previous one, except for the previous button. So I know if I click the previous button, I will go to the previous page. Yes, and it works. So I will keep clicking the next button, and yes. And now from this page, I know that the tutorial part is accomplished, and it also tells me that the next part will be the quiz part. And yeah, also a picture here showing it's time for the quiz. So then I can, and there's a go to quiz button here. So I know if I click this button, I will go directly to the quiz part. So let's do it. So based on the description of the question, I know I should drag this object, right? And based on the tutorial session I have viewed before. So let me have a try. So if I drag the commit to the bottom position, I will get its color will become red. Then I know, oh, the commit should not be placed in the second position. So I will try to put it in the first place. Oh yeah, and then after I do so, I can discover that the commit successfully fit into the first circle. Then I know, oh, it's correct. And then I just keep doing the same thing to the remaining two object, and then it's a tree, and then it's the blob. And after all of them are correct, the next button show up, and I know it's time to go to the next question. And for this question, based on the description, I know I need to select the correct answer. So if I click the commit, it becomes red, which means it is wrong. Then I should have another try. And then I click tree blob, and I click the blob, and this one becomes green. Then I know, oh, it's correct. So let's go to the next. And similar for this one, I click the right answer and go to the next question. And the same for this one. And the same for this one. Okay, so at this page, there's also a redo quiz button. So I know if I click on this redo quiz, I will go over this quiz again. Yeah, so let's try it. Yeah, so let me do it again. And then I click the next, right? And it will show me the result of the quiz part. So all of them are passed. And there is also a redo quiz button, which means I can do it again by clicking this button. And now let me try clicking um, the button in the navigation part. So if I click the tutorial, I could get to the tutorial page. And when I click the home, I get into the home page again. So yeah, so that's Git under the hood, a site to teach you the core of Git data structure and how to use the Git. Thank you.